What's going on, Mother Truckers? Welcome to Mother Trucker News. Question of the day for you guys. When's the last time you guys got blocked in by a little car? I mean, this is one of the most annoyingest things out there in the trucking industry. Yeah, annoyingest is a word. The other thing that would probably be just as annoying is someone camping in the left lane. But, the first question that was asked to Milk Money 73 was, what did you do? Did you cut them off or something? And she writes, nope, they were behind a vehicle that let me out, got pissed, honked his horn, I honked back, and here we are. How come I hear the Jakes and not you cussing them out? And Hope says, cause I was praying that I didn't lose my temper and want to kill him. Someone else asks, what did you do though? And Hope writes back, blew my much bigger horn back at him. So as you guys are watching this video right here, I mean, yes, the four-wheeler honked at her and she honked back with the bigger horn. Luckily, there was another truck driver that saw the whole thing and then actually drove up, blocked the guy in, and then she was able to get through. So all I have to say is thank you so much to the trucking community. People say the brotherhood and sisterhood of trucking is dead, but I will say this act of kindness right here proves that truckers stick out for each other. So my truckers, comment down below, but yes, Hope, I hope you have a great time at this truck show and you have the patience of a goddess. So, my truckers, comment down below.
Because Hope said no.